Alright, we're going to take a short look at solving a system of equations by the substitution method. And so we're going to have three methods of solving. One's graphing, and then substitution and elimination method are probably the better of the two methods to solve systems of equations. Anyways, when I want to use substitution method, usually is when I have one of my equations solved for a variable. So you see the second equation solved for y. I might want to use the substitution method. So y is equal to 2x plus 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the y in the first equation with 2x plus 7. Okay, so we're just going to rewrite that first equation, the 2x minus 3, and then I went ahead and labeled those equations 1 and 2. It's just kind of a good habit. And we're going to plug in what y is equal to, which is 2x plus 7. That's equal to negative 13. We're going to go ahead and use the distributive property. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21 equals negative 13. Underline there the 2x and the minus 6x. Those are like terms, so we're going to go ahead and combine them together. And we're going to be efficient, and we're going to add 21 to both sides. So we're just solving the equation. We want to isolate the variable x here. So we're going to add 21 here. Add 21 to the other side. So we'll follow the golden rule. Anything we do to one side, we do to the other. So we have negative 4x is equal to positive 8. We're going to go ahead and divide both sides by negative 4. And we'll get x is equal to negative 2. Now I have the choice. Since I've solved, I can either plug it into the first or the second equation. It does not matter. I'll come up with the same y. I'm going to go with equation 2 because it looks like it's already solved for y, so it's going to be a little bit easier. So y is going to equal to 2 times negative 2, which we found was what the x is, plus 7. So y is equal to negative 4 plus 7, so y will be equal to 3. And then my ordered pair will be negative 2 comma 3 for my x comma y. If I wanted to check this real quickly, check it in both equations. Well, if the x is negative 2, when I plug it in to the first equation, I'll get a negative 4. And if y is 3, then I'll have 3 times 3, so I'll have minus 4 minus 9, that's negative 13. That looks good. And then, of course, it's going to work in the other equation. The y was 3. And then negative 2 times 2 will be negative 4. Negative 4 plus negative 4 plus 7 is 3. So it does work out. So this is my solution to the system of equations. So that's it. It's not too bad.